Yeah. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in the news now. Yeah.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today, got some sad news. The project car has been stopped for a while because we have an issue inside. It's leaking water like a lot. It was literally flooded because of the sunroof. I don't know if you guys probably know that Citroen Saxos with sunroofs, they have a lot of problems, especially with the sunroof. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. We're going to be doing some work on it. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. I've been busy with work, and it's just finding time to upload when it's raining all the time. The weather hasn't been great, and also I'm waiting for my parts to come. Still haven't arrived. I've ordered a boost gauge for the Fiesta. Something a little bit different to what I've seen online, and especially on YouTube. Hopefully you guys enjoy that video. But yeah, I've ordered it. Hopefully it should be in the next couple of weeks, like a week or so. But I'll show you what it looks like. So guys, I've taken the headliner out just to see where the water's coming. Taking the headliner out, like this beauty right here. So this is where the water's coming from. You can see it's all broken into pieces. Definitely where. Yeah, perfect, great, fucking great. Yeah. Well, that's broken. This side is also going as well. Also, I forgot to mention that the car does not start. I've checked the battery. Battery's fine. I've put the battery in a different car. It works fine. But I think some of the water's gone to the electrical system, so I'm gonna have to get that fixed as well. Got everything out, check all the wires, and see if everything's okay. So yeah, if you've seen the video, it is pretty rusty. I'm gonna be taking everything out. I'm gonna try and record it as much as I can, but I'll be in the car because it's raining, so I'll try to do it mainly inside. But yeah, we're gonna hopefully be cleaning all that out, spraying the roof once it's finished, same colour, and trying to fix a few things. Gonna get it serviced and order a few parts for it. But yeah, like I said, sorry I've not been uploading in a long time. It's just trying to find the time really, and the parts haven't come down. But yeah, as soon as that boost cage comes in, you'll be seeing it on my next video. It's something different to what you've seen online. I don't think I've seen one of these before, but yeah, just wait and see.
Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in a